One of my most favorite companies is going on sale today. It's down 6%. I always buy their basketball shoes. I'm always wearing their athletic clothes. Watch this video to see why I'm buying Nike stock even though it's down 6% today. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Bruce Wang, and today we got another Robinhood investment challenge for you. So my account right now is worth $3,518. It has not, today's been pretty bad. I'm down almost $50 on the day. So let's get right into the opening of the rewards. I'm still trying to get this Apple Berkshire Hathaway stock, but I only have like about 20 rewards to go here that I've been saving up. And let's open this one. I'm gonna go right down the middle. And not to my surprise, it is Groupon, $3.40. I think all these rewards, if you don't open them up for about 60 days, they just disappear on you. So if you're in that type of boat like me, that's just a pro tip. Zanga, $5.30. I've sold maybe 20 shares of Zanga so far. It's crazy, that company. Let's open this one all the way on the right. Guys, it's like, I don't think this is ever gonna happen. Groupon. So let's open up this one by Jaden Smith. If you're out there, I'm giving you a shout out. Will Smith's son, Jaden Smith. And here we go, Zanga again. Have you guys ever scratched lotto tickets? This is like the same feeling, but you always win some money. And I never hit a big jackpot on those lotto tickets. This will be the last one by Bora. And I'm gonna predict that this is gonna be a Groupon. And sensex, I think that's how you pronounce it. TRXC, worth $2.25. As you can see, I have failed yet again. Another day that I have not received any rare stocks other than these really common stocks like Zanga. I'll open up the rest of these rewards in another video. If you guys want to check that out, come back for the next Robinhood challenge. Not much has changed since I updated you guys last about my Robinhood account. $3,535 after I opened up all the rewards. I'm down, $30 today right now. On the week, I'm up 70. On the 1 month, I'm up 325. 3 months, I'm up 665. On the 1 year, I'm up about 600. All time, I'm up $140. I'm doing pretty good overall in the last 6 months. I'm up 600 bucks. Some of them is from the rewards, and a lot of it is also from just capital gains and dividends. So I have about 15 more stocks to go for these rewards. I've been saving them up all for the videos. I know a lot of you guys enjoy that when I try to get one of those Apple stocks because I only have 1 share of Apple at the moment. This is what happens when you buy Apple at a really good time. I'm up $40 just because of 1 Apple stock. I bought Apple at $148 about 3 months ago, and right now Apple is worth $191. So a 30% return just from 1 stock. That's incredible. I wish I had a lot more cash at the time. I would have bought a lot more Apple stocks. So you live and you learn. That's why I'm buying Nike today. Nike is down 6.6%. I've never seen Nike down 6.6% in my entire life. I haven't been investing in that long, and I haven't had Nike that long. So I'm gonna take this time just to buy 2 more shares. Today, Nike stock is getting completely hammered. Last night or yesterday, they had their earnings call, and I thought that they were actually doing pretty good. But despite the good news, Nike stock still is down almost 6.5% today. Right now, Nike is sitting around $82. It is down $5.68 on the day. Nike isn't one of those stocks that are super volatile, and it doesn't usually drop 6.5%. So I'm gonna take this opportunity to buy as many stocks as I can. I'm gonna try to buy 2 shares at the market price, $82.24. Estimated cost is gonna be $164.48. So Robinhood right now is not letting me buy this Nike share at market price, so I have to do a limit buy. Don't know what's going on there, but it doesn't really matter. I'm going to try to buy it right here with the limit buy. And hopefully this goes through as soon as possible. And there we go. That was kind of weird. That was a weird situation. That never happened to me before. Supposedly I didn't have enough buying power So right now I have 3 shares. Total equity is $246.50. My average cost is $83, and that's because I bought some Nike stock way back when one of those basketball players exploded their shoe. I thought that would have been a really good time to buy their stock, but I did not know that even after a good earnings call, Nike can drop 6%. So at the moment, Nike is about 4.5% of my portfolio. I want to get Nike. I want to make Nike about 10% of my portfolio if I can. So that's another goal that I'm going to try to get to. There's a lot of great things I can say about Nike. Market cap 140 billion. Dividend yield is at 1%, and there's a lot of room to grow for this dividend yield. I think 1% is very sustainable, and I think they could pay out a lot more dividends if they decided to. Nike's been around since 1964, over 60 years ago, and they mostly sell athletic gear, sneakers, t-shirts, shorts, and I think they're starting to sell a lot of everything else, all the equipment, all of these sports equipments. They're into a little bit of everything. So just for fun, I looked up some of the most famous athletes that are signed with Nike, and right off the bat, we can see that I think one of their top athletes is LeBron James. A couple years ago, he signed a $1 billion contract with Nike, so he signed with them for life. He's one of the greatest basketball players to ever live, rivaling Kobe Bryant, Michael Jordan. Right now, he's playing with the Los Angeles Lakers, and they're not doing too good. He is getting a little bit older, but he's still one of the greatest players on the planet. Another sports icon, Tiger Woods. He's been playing for the last 20 years, and he's past his prime, but he's still good. Not as good as before, but still one of the top golfers in the world. I think this is Cristiano Ronaldo. I'm not much of a soccer player. I tried playing for about 1 to 2 years, but football is not one of the sports that I'm that good at. Cristiano Ronaldo, top football player in the world. In America, you would say it's a soccer player, but I know a lot of people overseas, and they call it football. Usain Bolt also signed with Nike. Fastest man in the world. What can you say? He's the fastest man in the world. Like, have you ever seen him run in the Olympics? It's insane. Serena Williams, Kobe Bryant, Manny Pacquiao. I didn't even know Manny Pacquiao was signed with Nike. But all these great athletes, they're ingrained in the pop culture, in the sports culture, in the global culture. And I think that brand recognition is something that you can't really put a price on. And when it comes to long-term sustainability, I think Nike can stay around for a very, very long time. It's just almost like a no-brainer at this point. So switching topics really quickly, I'm getting a lot of comments asking me about how do I find out how much dividend a stock pays out, or when do they pay out their stocks. You have to do some of your own research, because I do not know every stock out there in the stock market. There's thousands and thousands of stocks out there. I only know a handful. I only know the stocks that I'm invested in and a few other ones. So what you want to do if you want to learn more about your stocks and find out all that dividend information, you want to go to nasdaq.com. This is the #1 website that I recommend when finding this type of information, and it's the one that I always go to. So this is what it looks like from the outside. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys have a resource and you guys don't even have to type it in yourselves if you guys are really lazy. But you want to find the stock that you're doing research in and type it into this little bar right here. And let's use Nike as an example and search that up. And you can see that Nike just pops up right under there. And I'm going to go into the Nike summary page right now. And here, more information. Really great graphs. These graphs are a lot better than Robinhood, I'll tell you that. All this information can also be found on Robinhood. So what you want to do now is you want to scroll here to the right side, and you want to go into Nike dividend history, or the stock dividend history that you're researching for. Scroll down, you can see that this is the latest information for Nike dividends. The ex-dividend date is on March 1st. Cash amount 22 is going to pay out 22 cents per stock. Declaration date, record date, payment date. So if you bought Nike before March 1st, 2019, you'll get paid 22 cents per share by August 1st, 2019. It's that easy, guys. Scrolling down again, so you can see that on January 2nd, the dividends was 22 cents. And you know, going down, you can see it's 20 cents on this date on 2018. Their dividends were paying out 20 cents per share. 2017 is 18 cents per share. In 2016 it was 16 cents per share. And surprisingly, in 2015 it was 28 cents per share. So way back when, it was they were paying a lot more dividends than they are now. So I think that you know, Nike does change up their dividend plans every now and then. They're not one of those dividend aristocrats or dividend kings. Nike is just starting to pay out dividends very recently, starting in 2013. So that's about 6 years now. Yeah, and it looks like they will be paying out dividends since they've been already doing it for the last 6 years. Will there be a dividend cut? I don't think that was in the plans of the earnings call. I didn't hear anything about any dividends cuts. So that's something that I can't tell you right now. And yeah, if you want to look up other stocks, you can type them up here, you know, PSEC. And again, all the information is right. I can't calculate all that information for you. It would just take me forever to answer every single one of your comments about how much a dividend pays out for a certain company. So like I said in my last video, I was being very dramatic when it came to the grind of the dividend investing. And I have been contemplating about changing up the strategy. And I'm just gonna stick with the current strategy that I have now. This week, I've only bought blue chip dividend stocks. And it's really hard to stay away from all these monthly dividend stocks, just because who doesn't want to get paid out monthly for doing nothing other than being invested in a company. But I will try to find somewhat of a perfect balance where I'm investing for the long-term growth of a company with their dividends, and also have monthly dividends in the back to support me for the cash flow. And I think even if I stuck to one or the other, as long as I'm investing for the future, it's gonna work out. And hopefully this isn't like the biggest mistake that I ever make. A lot of people think that they can predict the future, but I don't think anybody can predict the future. And there will be mistakes made, and hopefully you guys can learn from my mistakes in the past and, you know, learn from these videos. You guys don't even have to invest anything, and you can see that and you can learn from all the mistakes that I've made from investing my own money. But other than all these dividends, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. And if you guys want to check out more content just like this, you guys can check out some of my older videos here, where I go into a deeper dive of my mindset and why I'm investing in dividend stocks. Or you guys can check out some of my newer content where I talk about real estate, or where I talk about passive income, financial freedom, and all that stuff. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, don't forget to leave me a like before you leave. And if you're brand new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Stick around. I have a lot more content coming out. I'm making 3 videos every week. I'll try to make 4 videos, but I'm making 3 videos every week. And I'm also planning to make live streams. Right after this video, I'm gonna go on live stream actually. Check out the live streams if you can. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.